An induction sealing machine is a specialized device used to seal containers, such as plastic or glass bottles, using an electromagnetic induction process. This method creates a hermetic seal by applying a foil liner to the container's opening, ensuring product freshness and preventing leakage, tampering, and contamination. The process involves placing the filled and capped container under a sealing head that generates an electromagnetic field, inducing an electric current in the foil, which heats and melts it, bonding it securely to the container. Induction sealing is widely used in industries like food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and chemicals, valued for its efficiency, leak prevention, tamper evidence, and ability to extend shelf life, making it essential for maintaining product quality and integrity in packaging.